We're asked to find how long it will take an investment at 3.85% compounded continuously to double, and we want to round the answer to 2 decimal places. Okay, so it's continuously compounded. That means I'm going to use the formula A equal PE to the RT. Now I want to plug in what I know. Here's my rate. So I leave some space here for the P. I've got 0.0385 in decimal. Let's see, T. It says how long, so that's what I need to find is T. Let's see, P is how much I invest. It does not tell me how much I invest, so that's still P. How much do I get out? Ooh, it does not specifically give me an amount of what I get out, but look at this. I have to double what I put in. So that means what I get out is 2 times P. Okay, so now I have an equation, but my problem is this has 2 variables, P and T. Typically we only can have 1 variable. But this one's set up really nice because if you notice, P is multiplied on each side, and I can divide both sides by P. So on the right, I'm just left with the exponential, 0.0385t. On the right, I just have the constant 2. In general, you want to avoid dividing by variables in an equation, but this one, again, is special because P represents how much I'm investing. When I divide by a variable, my caution is you can't divide by 0. And so what if your variable equals 0? But I'm not going to invest $0. Okay? So it's okay to divide by the variable P here. Now, there are other options that you could do with this portion when you have something that says double or triple or quadruple. You can set it up just like we did. Start with P and you end up with 2P. If you don't like that, you can pick whatever value you want for P. So like if you wanted to pick P equal 50, then you would have 50 e to the 0.0385t. The other side, once it doubles, would be specifically 100. But now what would you do for your first step? Divide by 50. Aha! And what do you get? 2 equal e to the 0.0385t. Okay, so there's another option. Pick your favorite number and just put the double of it over here and then solve. You also could just remember that that's going to happen and get this down immediately to 2 for doubling equal just the exponential, no number in front. That's what you'd have to worry about if you cut to this shortcut. And then a third option, which really is the same idea as this. For your favorite number of P, you can use P equal 1. Because if you invest 1, you end up on the right with 1, e to the 0.0385t. Double that is 2, and that's really the exact same thing as this equation. So lots of different ways to think about it. They all get you down to this equation. At this point, we solve by taking the natural log of both sides. This is special because it's log base e, exponential base e. So by the inverse properties, those undo each other, and I get the natural log of 2 equals 0.0385t. To solve for t, I just divide. And I want an approximation here, so I'm going to put that on the calculator. Don't forget to close parentheses every time they give you a log. And let's see, it says 2 decimal places. This is nice, 0.00. But I'm going to go ahead and put the 0.00 just to emphasize that I did look at the decimal places. I didn't cut it off early. Okay, so this is 18.00, and time in our interest formulas is in years.